ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 51। मायां तु प्रकृतिम विद्यान मायिनम तु महेश्वरम। ये श्वेताश्वतर श्रुति अजामेकाम लोहित शुक्ल कृष्णाम। In this, what is the meaning of Lohita Shukla Krishna?
Sattva Rajasa Tama.
Any other meaning? Somebody else gave answer before. Any other meaning? No meaning. Tejo Banna Rupa. Shukla means Jala Rupa. Krishna means Anna. And Rakta means Teja. Lohita. Tejo Banna Chandogya Upanishad Sashtadhyaya. That also, in fact, that is the main meaning taken by Bhashyakara in Brahma Sutra. So note that down. Gauna is Triguna. Ajam means Prakriti, Maya. Ekam Bahvihi Sarupaha Prajaha Srijamanam. This Maya creates Samana Rupa. Sarupa means Samana Rupa. Bahvihi Prajaha. So everywhere in the three also, either you say Triguna or you say Tejo Banna, means Panchamahabhuta Karya. Praja also will be Panchamahabhuta Karya because Karana is Panchamahabhutatmakam. When they say three Mahabhutas, Teja, Up, Annam means Prithvi. Then you have to understand Akash, Vayu are there before. Then these are three. And when three are given and Trivrit Karanam, if it is explained, then you have to understand 2 plus 3, so Panchikaranam. All this we understand from Chandogya, 6th chapter. Ajo hi eko jushamano anushete. Who is this ekaha? Who is this ekaha?
Jiva.
This is Jiva, who is also Ajaha, Anadi. And Jahatyenam Bhukta Bhogam Ajo Anyaha. Anyaha Ajaha. Who is the Anyaha Ajaha?
Jnani.
Yes. In here they have given it as Ishvara, but Jnani is preferred because Bhukta Bhogam, having experienced it, having enjoyed, Jahati, he gives it up. So Ajnani and Jnani, in this way we can separate. और साधारणतः they will say Jiva Ishvara. Okay. So Jiva Sakshi, Ishvara Sakshi, in that Ishvara Sakshi Prakaranam we are. See in Tika now, last line. मायायाः एकत्वं श्रुति तात्पर्य सिद्धम इति कथम ज्ञातम श्रुति तात्पर्यस्य कथम ज्ञातम स्वल्प विराम कॉमा मायायाः एकत्वं श्रुति तात्पर्य सिद्धम. How do you know that Maya is only one and that is arrived at through Shruti Tatparya? How do you know? So Siddhanti will ask, why can't we know? He says, Shruti Tatparyasya Duruhatvat iti ashankya. Shruti Tatparya is Duruhatva. Duruha. Duruha means Dur Uha. Dukkhena Uhanam. So the one whose depth of Shastra, Tatparya, is difficult to arrive at. Duruha, what is the sutra?
ईषत्तुषु कृच्छ्राकृच्छ्रार्थेषु खल.
खल प्रत्यय. ईषद्दुषु कृच्छ्राकृच्छ्रार्थेषु खल इति आशंक्य स्मृतिकारानुसारेण इति आशयेन पराशर स्मृतिं पठति. So Siddhanti will say, according to Smritikara, we know in Parashara Smriti, Parashara Rishi, Bhagavan Ved Vyasi's father, his Smriti is quoted now in Moolam. Taratya Vidyam Vitatam Hridiyasmin Niveshite
हृदयस्मिन् निवेशिते
Yogi Mayameyaya
योगी मायाममेयाय
Tasmai Vidyat
तस्मै विद्यात्मने नमः तरत्य विद्यां विततां हृदयस्मिन् निवेशिते योगी मायाममेयाय तस्मै विद्यात्मने नमः.
Yogi Yasmin Hridi Niveshite Vitatam Avidyam Mayam Tarati. Avidyam Mayam Samanadhikaranya. Tasmai Ameyaya Vidyatmane Namaha. So Yogi Yasmin Hridi Niveshite. Yogi, when he puts his Hridaya, Yasmin Hridi Niveshite. Yasmin Hridayam Niveshite. Hridi is given. So Hridayam. When he puts his Antakarana into that, Then yasmin niveshite vitatam avidyam. Vitatam means that which is spread out. Sarvavyapi avidya. Mayam tarati. He crosses Maya. Tasmai ameyaya. That Brahma, Paramatma is ameya. Is Vidya Swarupa. Vidyatmane Namaha. So this Uddharana is to show there is one Maya. That's all we have to get from this. There is one Maya. That is the objective of this quotation. Means everything else is relevant, but what is the purpose for which this Uddharanam has come is for one Maya. And that Vidya Atma, Vidyatmane, Vidyatmane, so the Vigraha will be Vidya Atma, Atma means Swarupam Yasya. Saha Vidyatma, Tasmai Vidyatmane. And Ameyaya means Aprameyaya. See in Tika now. Ityadi Shruti Smrutishu Ekavachana Balena Laghava Anugrihitena Mayaya Ekatvam Nishchiyate. So in this way, in Shruti and in Smriti, Ekavachana Balena, on the strength of Ekavachanam, Laghava Anugrihitena. So there is Laghavam, Ekavachana. One Maya will do the same job. Anugrihitena Mayayaha Ekatvam Nishchiyate. Tika. Yasmin Paratmani Hridi Niveshite. Hridi, instead of using Antakarana, he has used Paratmani, Tikakara. Paratmani Hridi Niveshite. Hridi Niveshite means Vrittya Rudhe Krite. So somewhere you will have to put Antakarana and Antakarana Vritti. So either you say Antakarana Vritti making Paramatma as its Vishaya. So Hridi is like Hridayam. Paratmani Niveshite Vrittya Rudhe Krite Yogi Avidyam Tarati. So this is what we have to do. My vritti should be Paramatma Akara, Brahma Akara. That kind of Chintanam I have to do. Yogi Avidyam Tarati. Tasmai Jnana Swarupaya. Vidyatma means Jnana Swarupa. Swarupaya Ameyaya. What is Ameya? See how he has given. Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Gocharaya. So that Paramatma is Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Gochara. Through
Agochara is there, Swami.
No, this is better. Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Gochara. Another word is there, Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Agochara.
Yes,
No, Brahmakar Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Gochara. This way you can take, otherwise it will never be known. Ameya does not mean it is not at all. Sadharana Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Agocharaya. Brahmakar Vritti Avachinna Chaitanya Gocharaya. then only you will know. Otherwise, how do we know that it is there? Vritti vyapti, you have to accept. So if it says agocharaya, or if they up just above that you write down ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य गोचराय, अन्य वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य अगोचराय नमः. अविद्याम विष्णष्टि. In Kailash reading it is agocharaya.
Yes, Swamiji.
So then you should understand in this way that for anyavritti, Brahma does not become Vishaya. So my reading says Vritti avachinna chaitanya gocharaya. Because you see there it is above sentence. Yasmin paratmani hridi niveshite, then vrittya. So that chaitanya becomes vritti arudha. When it is vritti arudha, and then avidya nasha has to take place, avidyam tarati. So chaitanya gocharaya means you should understand brahmakara vritti avachinna chaitanya gocharaya namaha. Avidyam vishinashti. Avidya, it is said, vitatam prapanchakareण परिणतत्वात् सर्वत्र व्याप्ताम इत्यर्थः. Prapanchakareణ parinata, this avidya vritti expresses as prapancha. Sarvatra vyaptam ityarthah. Sarvatra vyapta. Nanu tan nivrittavapi na anartha nivrittihi. Somebody says, okay, even if avidya is gone, but maya is there. So avidya nivrittavapi na anartha nivrittihi. Why? Sarvanartha bhutayaha mayayaha avashishtatvat. Sarva anartha rupa maya is still there, avidya is gone, but maya is there. Iti ashankyaha mayam tarati. See, the next sentence is beautiful. Swashraya avyamohakatva vyamohakatva visheshayapi vastuto na tayor bheda iti ashayah. Swashraya avyamohakatva vyamohakatva visheshayapi. Swashraya avyamohakatvam is for whom?
Ishvara.
Means Maya. Swa means you have to take Maya. Swa ashraya avyamohakatvam is there in Maya. Swa ashraya vyamohakatvam will be there in avidya. Avidya deludes its ashraya. Maya does not delude its ashraya. So this is the bheda. Vishesha api vastuto na tayor bhedaha iti ashaya. Tayo bheda, 1 number tippani, Maya vidyayoho. Is this point clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Swamiji, could you
Others?
say it one more time?
स्वाश्रय अव्यामोहकत्व व्यामोहकत्व. Swa means you take Maya. Maya does not delude its ashraya. Swa ashraya avyamahakatvam is there in Maya. Maya's ashraya is Ishvara. And swashraya vyamahakatvam is there in Jiva. Jiva, avidya. Avidya will delude its ashraya. So swashraya Vyamohakatvam is in avidya. Swashraya avyamohakatvam is in Maya. This is the Bheda. In all other way, they are same. Both have the ability to cover, etc. Both have Triguna, all of them. But Maya does not cover its Ashraya, which is Ishvara. This is if you take Maya, Avidya separate. But in Vivarana Prasthana, Maya and Avidya are taken same. वस्तुतो तयोर न भेद. माया विद्ययोः न भेद इति आशय. Okay now?
Yes, Swamiji, understood.
Yes, Swamiji.
ननु स्मृतावपि जातावेकस्य संभवात् एकपदस्य अमुख्यार्थकताया अपि सुवचत्वात् कथं तदेकत्व निश्चय इति आशंक्य आह. Somebody says in Smriti that ekvachanam which is used. Nanu smrtavapi jatau ekvachanasya sambhavat. Taking Maya as a jati and ekvachanam prayoga is done. So jatau ekvachanasya sambhavat ekapadasya amukhyarthakatayaha api suvachatvat. So that eka, if eka shabda is used, which he showed in the previous uddharanam. Maya is ekvachanam or ajam ekam, that eka shabda, he says it could be there because of jati. Jatau ekvachana can be there, that is suvachatvat. That means it is very much possible, justified. So that will become amukhyartha. Katham tadekatva nishchaya. How do you say it is one? Iti ashankyaha laghava. So laghava is there. We read that already. Avidyayam antare vartamanaha mama maya duratyaya ityadi shruti smritinam adipadena sangraha. So other avidyayam is ekvachanam. Mama maya is ekvachanam. Mama maya duratyaya, what is the shloka?
दैवी शेषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते.
दैवी ह्येषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्यया माम एव येष प्रपद्यन्ते मायाम एताम तरन्ति ते. मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते. So we will not go beyond Maya unless we seek Brahma. Adi Brahma Paramatma. Adipadena Sangraha. Upasamharati tatascha in Mulam. Tatascha tadupahitam chaitanyam Ishvara sakshi tacha anadi. Tadupadher mayaya anaditvat. So tad upahitam chaitanyam Ishvara sakshi तदुपहितम मीन्स माया उपहितम चैतन्यम ईश्वर साक्षी, इट इज अनादि. Why? Because its upadhi is anadi. Tad upadhehe mayayaha anaditvat. Upadhi is anadi, therefore upahita chaitanya is also anadi. टीका यथोपाधि भूत मायाया एकत्वात् तस्य एकत्वं तथा तस्या अनादित्वात् तस्या अनादित्वमपि इत्याह. तच्च यथा उपाधिभूत मायायाः एकत्वात्. Since the upadhibhuta maya is one, therefore tasya ekatvam. Tasya kasya?
मायाया
No.
Maya upahita chaitanya.
Ishvara. If maya is one, maya upahita chaitanya is also one. This is yatha. This is drishtanta. Tatha. Tasya anaditvat. Tasya anaditvam api. Tasya anaditvat. Tasya kasyaha?
उपाधि
Mayayaha. And tasya anaditvam?
माया उपहित चैतन्य
हाँ. उपहित चैतन्य ईश्वरस्य अपि अनादित्वम. So upadhi is eka and anadi. So upahito is also eka and anadi. Tat chaitanyam anadi api ityartha. Tat chaitanyam api anadi ityartha. In that way you should read. That chaitanyam is also anadi. ईश्वर साक्षी ज्ञानस्य ईश्वर ज्ञानापेक्षत्वात् आह. ईश्वर साक्षी ज्ञानम is ईश्वर ज्ञान अपेक्षा. So it is a सापेक्ष. सापेक्षत्वात् तदाह मूलम मायावच्छिन्नम चैतन्यम परमेश्वरः. So earlier he defined jiva as avidya avacchinnam chaitanyam. Now he says Ishvara is maya avacchinnam chaitanyam. मायायाः विशेषणत्वे ईश्वरत्वम् उपाधित्वे साक्षित्वम् इति ईश्वरत्व साक्षित्वयोर भेदः. So here also, just like in case of jiva, avidyayaः विशेषणत्वे जीवत्वम् उपाधित्वे not avidyayaः अंतःकरणस्य विशेषणत्वे जीवत्वम् अंतःकरणस्य उपाधित्वे किम
Jiva sakshitvam.
जीव साक्षी.
Uh,
And here maya, if it is visheshana, there is ishwaratva. Maya, if it is upadhi, it is sakshitvam. Iti ishwaratva sakshitvayor bhedah. This is the ishwaratva sakshitva bheda. Natu dharminor ishvara tat sakshinoho. That we will see later. First let us see tika. Ishvara purvavat atrapi. Just like in case of jiva, so is in case of ishvara. मायायाः विशेषणत्व उपाधित्वाभ्याम ईश्वरत्व साक्षित्वयोर भेद इत्याह. Maya becomes visheshana, it is Ishvara. Maya becomes upadhi, it is sakshi. What is the lakshana for visheshana?
अन्वयत्वे सति वर्तमानत्वम्
कार्य अनन्वयित्वे सति वर्तमानत्वे सति व्यावर्तकत्वम्.
कार्य
अन्वयित्वे सति
Adi,
हम्म?
what is Upadhi?
कार्य अनन्वयित्वे सति
Hmm. So, कार्य अन्वयित्वे सति वर्तमानत्वे सति व्यावर्तकत्वम. This is विशेषण. And कार्य अनन्वयित्वे सति वर्तमाने सति व्यावर्तकत्वम is उपाधित्वम. मायायाः विशेषणत्व उपाधित्वाभ्याम ईश्वरत्व साक्षित्वयोर भेद. In other words, he has accepted, if you think that Ishvara means Maya becomes its Visheshana, and Ishvara Sakshi is Maya becomes Upadhi. If Maya becomes Visheshana of Ishvara Chaitanya, that means the dharma of Maya is present in Ishvara. Like the dharma of Antakarana is present in Jiva. Jiva feels, I am Sukhi Dukhi. So this is okay for explanation. Maya becomes Visheshana of Ishvara. Really speaking, then what will happen is in Ishvara also the Triguna will create its effect, which is not good. But he is going to explain that Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, which is the effect of three gunas in that way. So keeping that in mind, you say Maya is Visheshana. तथा च यथा नास्ति पाचक पाठकयोर भेदः किंतु पाचकत्व पाठकत्वयोस् भेदः. You should understand. Drishtanta he gives, between pachaka and pathaka there is no bheda, but pachakatva is different, pathakatva is different. So if Chaitra is there, he is cook also and he is teaching also. When Acharya is there, he is teaching Vedanta and he cooks for his students also. He cooks, students are not cooking. Can you imagine? So he's the same person, same Chaitra is Pachaka, cook, Pathaka, teacher, Acharya. But Pachakatvam is different. Pathakatvam, so Avachedaka are different. Pachakatva, Pathakatva yoho bhedaha. Tadvan na Ishvara tat sakshinoho bhedo api. Bhedo apitu Ishvaratva sakshitva yoho ityartha. So he says between Ishvara and Sakshi there is no bheda. Na Ishvara tat sakshinor bhedaha. Ishvara is Sakshi. Now you imagine. How will you understand this? Ishvara is Sakshi. Ishvaratva and Sakshitva are different. But Ishvara is Sakshi. What is Ishvara according to Mandukya?
एष सर्वज्ञ एष सर्वेश्वर
No, what is it? That is the mantra. What is Ishvara? Ishvara is Tritiya Pada, Avachinna Chaitanya. Prathama Pada is Vaishwanara. Dvitiya is Hiranyagarbha. Tritiya is Ishvara. Prajna and Ishvara both are put together. So Ishvara is Karana Prapancha Avachinna Chaitanya. So that Karana is Avidya. And what is Sakshi? Sakshi is also Avidya Upahita Chaitanya. Therefore, Sakshi is Ishvara. In this way, you should understand. In other words, when I say I am Sakshi, I am equating myself with Ishvara only. And this in Siddhanta Bindu is also explained in this way only, in one paksha, that Ishvara is Sakshi. In Moolam it is given, Natu dharmeno ho Ishvara tat sakshino ho. Means between Ishvara and Sakshi, there is no Bheda. There is Ishvaratva and Sakshitva has Bheda. In other words, if there is one pata, it has patatva and it has pitatva. So, pitatva is different, patatva is different, but this entity is one. So, the dharmi is one. In that, Ishvaratva is also there, Sakshitva is also there. So, in this way, if you understand, then your bhakti will become different. Ishvara bhakti will become bhakti of Sakshi. So somebody asked me that if we are not into this Jnana Marga, can we do bhakti more? I said yes. And here you see, otherwise also in Gita it is said that Jnanam is also one kind of bhakti, Jnani is one kind of bhakta. Tippani number 2 we can see, Yatha yohi pachakah sa eva pathakaschet. पाचक व्यक्ति है पाठक व्यक्तिर न भिन्ना यो ही पाचक स एव पाठक द वन हु इज कुक इज द टीचर चेत पाचक व्यक्ति है व्हाट इज द विभक्ति देयर You all know where I am reading?
पंचमी
स्वामीजी
पंचमी पाचक व्यक्तेः पाठक व्यक्तिर्न भिन्ना तथापि तत्स्थे पाचकत्व पाठकत्वे भिन्ने एव, but तत्स्थ पाचकत्व and पाठकत्व are different, भिन्ने ते। एवं ईश्वर तत्साक्षिणोः जीव साक्षिणोश्च न भेदः, किंतु जीवत्व साक्षित्व रूपयोर धर्मयोर एव भेदः। In this way, between ईश्वरत्व, same thing what we have already seen. What is given in Moolam is given in Tika, is given in Tippani also. If you read this before Patha, it will be very easy. If you just dash into the class, then you will be lost. And this is the easiest portion so far in Vedanta Paribhasha. ननु मायायाः एकत्वात् यथेश्वर साक्षिण एकत्वं तथा तदवच्छिन्नस्यापि एकत्व अवश्यं भावात् कथं तस्य ब्रह्मादि रूपेण भेदः? If Maya is one, then just as Ishvara Sakshi is one, Ishvara Sakshinah ekatvam, tadavacchinnasya api ekatvat, avachinna Chaitanya also will be one. Then how there is Brahmadi Rupena Bhedaha, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva in this way. Then that 1 number Tippani is basically saying that same thing what is given late after 3 lines. Asmad upanyasta pathasya ayamartha. Because there different pathas are there, so he has just given pathantaras. So we will just use the patha which is given here in the tika itself. तथा च तस्य विशेषण भेद मूलत्वात् तद भेदे च तस्या एव उपाधितया तद उपहितस्य अपि एकत्व औचित्यात् कथं तदनेकता इति आशंक्य तस्य विशेषण भेद मूलत्वात् तस्य चैतन्यस्य विशेषण भेद मूल. If Visheshana is different, Visheshya will get Bheda. Visheshana Bheda Mulatvat Tad Bhedecha Tasya Eva Upaditaya. Tasyaha Eva Upaditaya. That alone will become Upadhi, that Visheshana. Tad Upahitasyapi Ekatva Auchityat Tatham Tad Anekata. So if Maya alone is the Visheshanam, Maya Upahita, then how do you say Maya Upahita Ishva Chaitanya is Brahma, Maya Upahita Chaitanya is Vishnu, Maya Upahita Chaitanya is Shiva? Iti Ashankya Yatha Mayopadhigat Guna Bheda Abhiprayena Tadanekatva Vyapadeshas Tatha Tadgata Gunavachedena Ishvara Bhedo Natu Vastutaha. इति आशयन. वस्तुतः ब्रह्मा विष्णु शिव आर नॉट 3. माया उपाधिगत गुण भेद अभिप्रायेण अनेकत्वम. Earlier how it was explained, इंद्रो मायाभिः पुरुरूपयते. In that मायाभिः बहुवचनम was used to explain anekatva. In the same way here also. So tadgata guna avachedena ishvara bhedo natu vastutah iti ashayana aha. In Moolam sacha parameshvara eko api swopadi bhuta maya nishtha sattva rajas tamo guna bhedena brahma vishnu maheshwara ityadi shabdavachyatam labhate. That Parameshwara, even though he is one, eko api swa upadi bhuta maya nishtha, in that Upadhi, which is Maya, in that there are 3 gunas. Tannishta sattva rajas tamo guna bhedena. So this doesn't necessarily mean that Lohita Shukla Krishna means Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna only. Lohita Shukla Krishna can be Tejo Banna. And Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna is additional thing which is not mentioned in that mantra. भेदेन ब्रह्म विष्णु महेश्वर इत्यादि शब्द वाच्यताम लभते. लभते कहा?
ब्रह्म विष्णु महेश्वरः.
नो,
ईश्वरः परमेश्वरः
परमेश्वर. परमेश्वर शब्द वाच्यताम लभते. उपाधि पदम टीका. उपाधि पदम अत्र विशेषण परम. तथा च I will just read this sentence, is easy. मायावच्छिन्न ईश्वर चैतन्यम एव उद्भूत सत्वगुण मायावच्छिन्नम पालयितृ विष्णु नारायणादि शब्दवाच्यताम भजते. तदेव उद्भूत रजोगुण मायावच्छिन्नम सृष्टृ ब्रह्म मीन्स ब्रह्मा विधात्रा आदि शब्द विधातृ आदि शब्द प्रतिपाद्यताम लभते. तदेव उद्भूत तमोगुण मायावच्छिन्नम संहर्तृ महेश्वर रुद्रादि शब्द अभिधेयताम अधिगच्छति. So these three are given. सत्वगुण विष्णु नारायणादि, रजोगुण ब्रह्मा विधाता, तमोगुण अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यम. These are names of that same Ishvara, same Chaitanyam. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः.